Hey, it's Brian Gambardella here with MarineMax of Huntington. Today we're going to do a walkthrough on a recent trade, a 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. This boat is optioned with the Horizon gel coat color, a single 300 Mercury outboard in white with a power tower. We'll climb on board and see what this boat has to offer. We are on the transom of the 2024 260 SLX. You'll notice your nice white engine gives the boat a nice clean look. This is a 300 horsepower, so this boat will get up to, around 50 miles per hour with a comfortable cruise in the low 30s. Very large sun pad here. You notice you got your Fusion radio control. You have one in the stern here, and you've got one at the helm. Ample storage. So this storage compartment travels the whole way up, all the way under that cockpit seating on the port side. You've got a freshwater rinse off here. Sea deck throughout the boat. This boat is very well optioned. Nice boarding door there. Access to your power tower here, so you can bring this tower all the way down to the windshield, block yourselves from any wind and rain, or if you need to sneak under a bridge, it is capable of that also. You'll notice here on the seats, you've got a little raised foam on the outside on the perimeter of your seating area throughout the whole boat. This tucks in nice right underneath the thighs, gives it a very comfortable and ergonomic seating arrangement. You've got handhold bars throughout, plenty of cup holders all the way around. On the port, on the bow, you've got 4 here. A little neat feature, you've got a little LED downlight here, so at nighttime when this whole boat is glowing, you got a nice Sea Ray logo that shines on the floor here. You've got a cockpit table there and a bow table there. Both of these seats will spin, bolsters on both sides. We got dual SIMRAD displays here at the helm. A nice leather covered area to keep your phone, as well as slots here. So if you're driving the boat, you don't want your stuff to jump around, simply pop your phone in there. Again, 2 cup holders for the captain here. You do have wireless charging right underneath the binnacle, which is cool. And another cup holder right down below. Coming slightly forward, so you could really block yourselves off from any wind and rain here. You stay below the windshield, you won't have anything coming in there. Here's your head compartment. And just take a look at this subwoofer here underneath the passenger seat. The sound system on this boat is really good. So coming forward, you got armrests on both sides, 2 really nice loungers. This is the bracket for your bow table here. You got a little bit of storage here. This boat does have a windlass, so you can access the windlass from up here. You can operate it from up here. Nice dry storage here, keep some life vests down there. And note, this boat does have a tow point above, so it is really good for wakeboarding, tubing, and water skiing, especially wakeboarding, so you can get that high angle to pull the rider up and out of the water. This boat only has 24 hours on it, so if you want a new boat at a used boat price, this boat gives a great value to you. And if you'd like to learn more about this 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX, come down or contact me, Brian Gambardella, at MarineMax of Huntington, 631-424-2710.